Connecting. Okay, I'm starting recording. This is the last sample. This is from the Prairie. So let's see what kind of worms we've got on UCA's Prairie. Oh, we've got ciliates anyway. Yeah, no way I'm getting a fix on that one, but that's a ciliate. That's a nematode, one that's not looking too happy about life, or quite possibly the lack thereof. But yeah, there's that nematode, and there's the head end, and I'll let you decide what it's got for mouth parts. Here, if we go back and yeah, there's the tail end. And there's the head end. You can make that call. And oh, I see another one down here. Probably a juvenile. And yeah, you can make that call. Okay. Oh, this one's a lot better than the mixed forest was. And I don't know why these are not as active, but I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth. I'm going to look a nematode in the mouth. So that's one, and you can decide what that one has up in its head. And there was one down here. Take that back. That's not a nematode. That's a fiber. That's cloth or thread. So that's the one we were just looking at. And here's another one. And there's its head. And you can decide what it's got in its head. There goes the ciliate. Okay, and that one's thrashing enough. We might not be able to get a clear view, but let's try. All right, that's a hard one to catch sight of, but yeah, I'll let you try to figure out what that one is. That's interesting. Okay, all right. I'm not sure why it's so still and what's going on inside it, but I think that's a big one. And that's the head end, and you can decide what it's got. It might be a dower, one of these resistance stages that they go through. I'm not sure why it looks the way that it does, but I'm pretty sure that's a nematode head right there. So yeah, you can decide what that guy is or gal. Thing's huge. Yeah, that's got some kind of lip structure to it that's not usual, and it looks like it's got little rings on the cuticle as well. So yeah, that's a species I don't think we've seen. I don't know what it would be, but yeah, that's a nifty find. That's new. Okay, those are the ones we've already seen. I have no idea what that thing is. That might be some kind of pollen. It's too big. I don't know. Um, and that's one we've already spotted. And so is that, and so is that. And so is that. And then there's that huge one. All right, I'm actually going to pause and take a quick still picture of this one and put that aside and see if I can save that. And then I'll make another wet mount because I think we only got 5 or 6 there. Sorry about the beeping. That's my yeah, that's my software. Right, that'll have to do. I'll do one more wet mount. All right, we're looking at the second There we are. We're looking at a second wet mount of this sample. And there's one. Not moving too fast. There's the head, and then the tail's really pointed as usual. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon when I said it wasn't moving too fast. Maybe it doesn't like the light. All right, that'll... Come on, you. All right, I think that'll have to do. Okay, here's one, thrashing nicely. Okay, so I got the head. No, that would be the head. Oh, you jerk, come on. Okay, I think I saw it. I'm actually going to call that one a plant parasite. I think I caught a quick glimpse of one. That was a tough one, though. Okay, here's one that's not moving too much. All right. I think I've got a good view of that one. I think that's the one we've already spotted. All right, here's a new one. This one is also not going to make it easy for us. Come on, you. All right, I spotted it there. All right, I think that one will have to do. Okay, and there's one that's doing us the favor of not moving. Yeah, I think that one may be just a baby, but focus up and down. Yeah, I think that's the head at the right. That should be, yeah, I think you can make the call on that one. All right, and that's that. And I'm starting to go cross-eyed from staring down this scope. So it's not as much data as we usually get, but that'll have to do. So I'm going to go ahead and stop recording, and you folks can do the counts on your own time.